Subscribe TechTouch channel and press the bell icon for more latest video.
Friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I will show you in this video how to change default font in MS Excel. Before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your MS Excel. After open the MS Excel, click on File, click on More Option, click on Options, select General. See here, use this as the default font. Click here, so many font is there, you select which one you want. For example, Arial. You can change also font size, for example 16, then select OK. Open Excel. You can see here default font and font size change. So in this way you change MS Excel default font and font size. Thanks for watching friends. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.